In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload zip file to Etsy. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Etsy. Click the official Etsy link to head to the site and sign into your seller account. If you have more than one account, make sure you're in the correct shop before you continue. Click your account icon to access your account settings if you need to confirm details, then go into Shop Manager, which is where you'll manage listings, orders, and files. Inside Shop Manager, look to the left-hand menu and open the Listings section. Here, you can either create something new or edit an existing product. To start from scratch, select Add a Listing. To add a zip to a listing you've already made, open that listing instead. On the listing form, find the area labeled Core Details, or sometimes About. For type, choose Digital. This is essential. Physical items don't have an upload box, so switching the type to digital is what enables file uploads for buyers to download after purchase. Now scroll to the bottom of the listing page until you see the Digital Files section. This is where you'll attach your deliverable. Click Upload File and select your zip file from your computer, or simply drag and drop it into the upload area. A zip is perfect when you're packaging multiple images, PDFs, fonts, or design assets into one convenient download. Before uploading, double-check that the file name is clear and professional, and make sure it meets Etsy's current file size limits. If your zip is large, consider compressing assets or splitting content into multiple files across variants if your product structure allows. Once the zip is attached, complete the rest of your listing details. Add a descriptive title, a thorough description that explains exactly what buyers receive inside the zip, and accurate tags and categories so the right customers find you. Upload strong preview images or mock-ups that showcase what's included. These help set expectations, especially for digital items. When everything looks good, decide whether to publish the listing right away or save it as a draft to review later. Publishing makes the file instantly available for buyers to access after purchase, while saving lets you come back to fine-tune pricing, photos, or wording. That's it. You've uploaded a zip file to Etsy and set up your digital listing for success.